Actually, now we're going to do a new chord progression with one new chord and one chord that we just did. What you're going to do now is lay your finger flat over the G or third string, the B or second, the first string or thin E, and you're going to lay them and turn them back at you. And this is the right horn of the guitar right here, and you want to point your finger back at you like this. And we're going to start with the arpeggio on this one, which means we're going to use the same arpeggio. We're going to pick down on the D or fourth, down on the G or third, down on the B or second, down on the thin E, and then with the up part of the pick on the B again, and then the G or third string up on that. So it's the same arpeggio we've been doing, and we're just going to do it now with this is called a D major 7 chord. Then after the one time of the arpeggio, which is 6 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we're going to slide our finger, again when we change, we're going to hover over the strings like this. Don't lift them off. You're going to slide it and hover over the strings. You can feel them. And then you're going to put it on the second fret alone. And then we're going to do the same arpeggio. Then we're going to put it back. It's really pretty. Now remember, only apply or put as much pressure as you need. What students tend to do, and what we do a lot of times when we're first doing this, is we tend to press real hard, and then our fingers hurt and we get all this tension in our wrist. So you want to just put enough tension or pressure on your finger, with your finger and your thumb, just put enough pressure to make the chord ring clearly. So before we do it with a metronome, just practice gently going back and forth. And then once you can do this smooth and even, now we're going to add the metronome at 80 beats per minute. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.